favorite twin black flame. And it just because of the paint, really. Plus, it looks like it's a possible. I mean, it's a West Coast chopper. I don't know if it's a West Coast chopper, but it's cool. It's the kind of bike I like to ride. I'm more than just cruising. Come on, out of there. Rip them out. I don't break it. Oh, they stuck this one through the middle. That's why I probably broke a piece, don't even know it. And I dropped some of that. I wonder if I broke the kickstand off. Nope, there's the kickstand. And I do like those Spectre Flame looking rims. And the post catches a glimpse of the light. I like this. Little red, what is that? Little red blinkers on the side. That's crazy. Crazy. Pretty cool. Got a Hot Wheel logo on it. The Flame Edition. I like it. 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 Oh, it's different on both sides. Like it's supposed to be. Oh, look. Look, 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 look. What is that? Right there. Could it be? Could it be a treasure hunt logo? Well, it is a treasure hunt logo, but wow. Cool. And on the gas tank. Oh, it's not exactly, but it's definitely a... Oh, check this out. This is unique. Something to talk about. Look at the logo where my finger is. It's an older style logo. 1997. And then there's the back to the new logo on the seat. And then we got sissy bars, kickstand. I like it. It's gonna be, I already have a feeling that it's gonna be highly desirable. Look at the tires. It's got flames on the tires, man, on the rubber. And this one, out of all of them, has the most cool stuff on it. Especially that treasure hunt logo embedded, inserted into the pan. Oh, man. I like it. I like it. I want some more. Well, we're going to scoot him back there. Put him back there. I don't know if that'll work. Come on, rice burners. Get out the way. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, man. I got stuck. Are you still recording? Yes. Now we can get a glimpse on how bad this is. Hot Wheels did a great job on their bikes. I think they did. Awesome. Now I'm going to start collecting more bikes. Way to go. Well, thanks for watching. See ya. Don't want to be ya. Bye. And I just realized the whole time I was recording, my camera was upside down. So if y'all are dizzy, I'm sorry. It's my upside down ripping party. Hopefully, this will be more acceptable to your brain when you watch this. Unless you like being upside down. We'll go over these real quick in case I missed something. We got this. I don't even know what kind of bike this is. It looks like it could be a Kawasaki. Don't know. Look at that. Probably a BMW or something. Look at that. Real red tires. Oh no. That side's cool. Got a nice little exhaust system. Well, both sides. Well, that one's different. Okay. Let's see. This one here is like for trying to break the sound barrier or something, because this is, you might as well have a car motor in that. You know, a Tron bike. Look at this. I like this. This is more realistic. 102. Little blue spring in here to match. Nice little added features. Nice chromed out pipes. That's cool. Oh, and there's some writing underneath the pipe. I didn't notice that before. And the gas tank is the same. This must be the X-Blade 2. Let's see what it says. Come on. I'm wasting my time here. Come on. It ain't gonna do it. I'm done out of focused. Them tires are cool. This tread on them are cool. Nothing wrote on the bottom, just it says something, the Hot Wheel logo, which is the older Hot Wheel logo. And the forks have a nice little name. My eyesight's not like it used to be. Look at that. Cool bike. I like that one. It's cool. This one I like too. This is neat. I like it. I really like it because look at the rims. Look at the brake pads. I mean, you can see all that. It's the right color. It's got a little cowl. Even got a little something going on in there. I like that. Look at the tires. Got dirt on them already. Yeah. That's cool. I like that one. Ugh. I like it. I like it. Now, the one I really, really, really like. Pa-ching. Oh yeah, Hot Wheels. Hey, get out the way. Get out the way, get out the way. It's time. This is the star of Hot Wheel motorcycles, because I decided to make it the star only because I just realized that there is a cool looking treasure hunt flame right there. Check that out. Wow. Oh yeah, this is awesome. I like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Well, now I'm out of here. So, when I try, I'm going to go ahead and try to fix this video, but I'm going to splice it in with the other one. I don't know how that's going to work, but let's see. I'm almost done rearranging everything. I got new shelves. I got new this, new that. But I definitely am still waiting in the mail for my parts so we can redo those. And I don't see anything new that I got recently other than these ones I found in the bottom of a toy box. Which ain't nothing really weird. I mean, nothing special. This one here has got a broken headlight. And this one here, I'm going to look it up. It might be a possible treasure hunt because there is a treasure hunt logo right there again. So, right there on the glass, but it's kind of worn off. Don't know if it's a real treasure hunt or not. I don't know how far back they go. Let's see. And this here, I remember this. This goes like that. It can fit in your case. It's beat up. The hood on this is smashed. It's all caved in on the Cougar. That one's okay. I got some more up here that I found. Yeah, that's a nice one. Too bad the spoiler's bent. Damaged. Do a redo. A redo. This Mustang came out nice too. I like this one. Found this one at the bottom of the toy box. Come on, focus. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I got a few of them. I found a couple of them. I found this one. I think this goes to one of the Fast and the Furious. I'm not sure. I have to go and look at my Fast and Furious collection. But it's a Mercedes. Really nice car. Really nice car. And then I got that one. The 87 Buick Grand National. I had to get it because everybody else was going to get them, and I never get a chance to get them, so now I got them. The other cars I feel will be irrelevantly, or actually easier to get. It's hard to talk when you got loose teeth. My teeth are fake. But I got false teeth. Yeah, prosthetic mouth. And it's hard to say words a lot of times. But anyway, what was I saying? But yeah, I like to restore old cars. That Corvette, I'm going to restore one day. I can put some tires on it, get a hood. But right now, I'm just waiting for my decals for those. Put new flames on it. I don't know what else. What else is new since I've been... I guess nothing. That's it. Just those 3 bikes I found on a bigger scale. I got my old setup booth back up and going. I had to do some light, fix some lighting in my cabinet and I need to figure out a way to make more room in here. I've been putting wine glasses with CD disc on them to make more room, but I don't know if it's making more room or taking more room. I don't know. I just need a bigger cabinet for my red lines only because I'm getting more and more and more every day. So, not every day, but at least once a week. But anyway, nice. Let's see. I was going to say bye, but this is my favorite. My favorite. He is my favorite. Even though I like the other one. I like them all, but that antifreeze is so awesome. So, see ya, and don't want to be ya. Happy treasure hunting, y'all. Bye.